Hey guys, what's up? So Aditya Sapaya here, back with another video in terms of providing the guidance, providing free resources, and how in the terms of how I prepared for the IIM IIT interviews and what is the way forward ahead. So here are the few resources which I came across throughout my preparation and came up in terms of how we can crack the IIM and IIT MBA interviews. So let's move ahead. So I have given few interviews and there was a delay in terms of uploading the video from the past video since I was busy with some of the interviews of B schools for Symbiosis colleges and other colleges. So I have until given my one IIM interview, that is IIM Amritsar. So let's head forward with the learnings taken from the interviews. So now with the table of contents, we are coming forward in terms of understanding the interview process, what interviewers look for, commonly asked questions, structuring your answer, do's and don'ts, preparing for domain specific questions, mock interviews and feedback. Okay, that is a bit of a practice side which you will do eventually. Let's go ahead. So understanding the interview process, key components, personal interview, आप सबको पता ही होगा. Personal interview is basically there's question answering session, grilling session, जैसे जो नाम आप दे सके वो, group discussion or VAT written ability test. So and also extempore and case discussions. So this is very specific to some institutes, and also it majorly involves knowing of yourself, like how much clarity, like at what extent the clarity you have of thoughts. So yeah, so group discussion much about presenting yourself, putting forward your points, showing the skills like leadership, like teamwork, cooperativeness. And written ability test is how articulate are you in terms of putting your thought from brain to the paper. So what interviewers basically look for. So these are some key traits: clarity of thoughts and communication. So basically, are you aware of what are you doing, या सिर्फ भेड़ चाल में चल रहे हो कि एमबीए करना है, क्यों एमबीए करना है, आपके एकेडमिक्स में आपने पहले क्या किया है, क्या आपने कोई झंडे वहाँ गाड़े हैं नहीं गाड़े. सो इट इज़ बेसिकली कि आपका कच्चा चीटा जिसे हम कह सकते हैं, जहाँ पे they basically look that do you know yourself better, and eventually are you able to communicate with other person better in terms of articulating your thoughts, in terms of knowing what you think and speaking what is relevant. So leadership, decision making skills, ये सब उसमें ही आ जाता है. Then knowledge of current affairs, of course that is much more important. You should be aware कि ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ ककून में रहे and you just prepared या Instagram या कोई social media apps पे रहे and you are just preparing in terms of not knowing much about the world, what is happening around you. So that is much more important, because every decision which you take would eventually be a repercussion, or eventually be a decision which would be and coexistent with some of the other situation taking place around the world. बेसिकली फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे बोलूँ कि इंडिया अब एआई को होस्ट कर रहा है. जो सैम अल्टमैन आए थे, जो लास्ट ईयर आए थे, उनके कुछ तेवर अलग थे. ये टाइम पे उन्होंने कुछ अलग डिसीजन दिया. तो बेसिकली वो सारी चीज़ें कैसे हमारे यहाँ के जो एआई टेक स्टार्टअप्स उनको कैसे हेल्प करेगी, या जो कंपनीज है विच आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड इन टर्म्स ऑफ increasing their horizon, increasing their domain in terms of using artificial intelligence और ओपन एआई. तो ये सारी चीज़ें आप सब अवेयर होनी चाहिए. इवेंचुअली जीडीपी आता, जीडीपी क्या होता है, जीएनपी क्या होता है, द बेसिक इकोनॉमिक्स. आपको कोई कह नहीं रहा है कि यू बी स्पेशलिस्ट इन समथिंग, बट बेसिकली द पॉइंट इज दैट यू शुड बी जनरलिस्ट. You should have knowledge of at least a surface level knowledge or a basic level knowledge of each and every subject. Eventually, but they also prefer, दे ऑल्सो अप्रिशिएट दैट जो आपने अंडर ग्रेड में पढ़ा है, आप अगर आपके पास उसका नॉलेज है, दैट इज़ वेल एंड गुड. सो इट इज़ एड ऑन ट्रेड. So yeah, knowledge of current affairs, business news. Of course, this news when I say, it is not about something that okay आज मुंबई में किसी सेलिब्रिटी को किसने स्टैप कर दिया, या कुछ खराब शो आ गया, कोई शो है जिस पे कुछ इलेवेंट बात कर दी कोई क्रिएटर्स ने. दैट इज़ नॉट रिलेवेंट टू योर बिजनेस. what is relevant to your business is how it is impacting. For example, government launching any new scheme, or government has four driving major pillar economies. So how they are impacting your business and the business surrounding yourself. So that is much more important. Problem solving analytical skills को मैंने आपको कह ही दिया कि ये सब आंसर्स में आ गया है. Then commonly asked question. This are most commonly asked question for which pretty much everyone prepares for. If someone is not preparing for this answer, so that might be two reasons, that या तो वो person extremely talented है, या तो he is not much into it. So personal background is tell me about yourself, which everyone has to prepare for. Then why MBA? Why this institute? So these are some basic standard questions. जहाँ पे you start giving your entire biodata from your birth, schooling, your intent for why you are going for MBA and everything pretty much related to it. Then there is question is why MBA. So why MBA is particularly question institutes जो है बड़ी बड़ी premier schools है, they basically ask this question that why MBA, why from specifically this college. This college is a brand. Jैसे I was asked in SIBM Pune का interview, this college is a brand, why you want to do MBA from this college, what are you bringing to a table. And since my acads were not that bad, not that good, So they told that your academics are not good. How would you contribute? But my extracurriculars are superb. So they told. So I drove that answer basically towards my strength areas. So it's basically you knowing yourself better and presenting yourself better, ताकि सामने वाले को भी भरोसा हो कि भाई नहीं, if this guy is saying he is not bluffing and he will genuinely add some value. And after that, what are your short term long term goals? तो देखिए, हमें तो हरीशचंद्र नहीं बनना है कि हमें मतलब एकदम सत्य सत्य आंसर भी नहीं देना है. यू बेसिकली प्रिपेयर ऑल दिस आंसर्स इवेंचुअली, इवन इफ यू चेंज, बट यू हैव टू क्लियर दिस इंटरव्यू, हेंस यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर दिस आंसर्स. तो आइडियलिस्टिक सिनेरियो में आप अपने आप को रख सकते हो, आइडियलिस्टिक आंसर दे सकते हो. बट इवेंचुअली क्या होता है कि द इंटरव्यूअर्स आर ऑल्सो वेरी मच एक्सपीरियंस. दे नो कि इफ दिस स्टूडेंट इज ब्लफिंग, इफ स्टूडेंट लिटरली मीन्स व्हाट ही इज सेइंग, and then you get caught basically. Now comes to academic and work experience. So explain the concept from your undergraduate studies. Very commonly, I am a civil engineer, so they would ask me basics of civil engineering, what subjects I studied, what was my favorite subject, what was the learning out of it, what was my final year project, what I did throughout my undergraduation studies. So these are the most commonly asked questions which one should be well prepared with. Now current affairs and business awareness. So I of course shed more light on this question earlier in my videos as well, and this an earlier slide as well, that your opinion on the recent economic policies. If you think that government is spending much on agriculture, then what is the view of government, what is the way forward which government is looking for, and how we as a business school or how we as a managers or leaders would inculcate the skills and have a better future in terms of not just for the Indian economy but for the organization as well. Then explain a business trend or you find interesting. So that is also, they can give you a case study. The recent acquisition of Reliance studies happened, which was in terms of Reliance acquiring Sheen. So these are the few pointers which one should be well aware of. Then there is also the investment summit happening at Davos, where the government from various countries, even the state governments, also participate in terms of bringing the foreign FDIs and FPI, foreign money in India. So these are the few pointers which everyone should be well aware of. So yes, we were talking about the STAR approach. So in basically the structuring your answer, that is STAR approach, that is situation, task, action, and result. So the format is pretty much simple, that you have to quote a situation where you demonstrate a particular trait, and then what was the task assigned, and what actions did you took, and what was the result. So basically, if I want to quote something of my leadership, so I would quote that I was my department head, and over there I organized the very first industrial visit of our college. Over there I made sure that I am going through a good learning curve and also providing a valuable insights in terms of taking technical knowledge and the practical knowledge of not just mine but also my peers, which is I spearheaded something 120 students. So these are the results which of course I also told you, the situation, task, action, and result. So in this way you can frame your answer in a better sense which would create an impact. तो इंटरव्यू सोचेगा कि ओह अच्छा you have done this. अब मुझे पूछेंगे कि why this was your first industrial visit, तो मैं उनको बताऊंगा कि सर हमसे पहले जो जो आए उन्होंने कभी ऐसा बोल्ड स्टेप लिया नहीं है, where I was the very first amongst who has taken this bold step. So yeah, these are the few situations. आप not just leadership skills, आप बहुत सारे skills demonstrate कर सकते हो, be it team work skill, be it any other skill, so to say. So this is how you should frame each and every answers of yours. अगर कोई मुझे बोलेंगे कि ठीक है आपका व्यूज़ क्या है इकोनॉमी पर, आपका व्यूज़ क्या है बजट पर, तो मैं उसको एक आर्टिकुलेशन पॉइंट में डाल दूंगा, जैसे कि सर मैं अपने आंसर आई विल गिव इट इन फाइव पॉइंटर्स. So which are the 5 pointers? Then I'll say agriculture, economy, promoting exports, manufacturing sector, tourism sector, etc., etc. So by this showing this trait, it will give a presentation of yours that you are much more articulate in your answers and you are aware. फिर उसके बाद वो लोग आपको पूछेंगे क्वेश्चन, सो मेक इट मोर लाइक अ कॉन्वर्सेशन. उसके बाद डूज एंड डोंट्स, ऑफ कोर्स बी कॉन्फिडेंट बट हम्बल. ऐसा भी ना हो जाए कि भाई मैंने ये किया, तेरे भाई ने ये कर दिया, तेरे भाई ने वो कर दिया है. तो ऐसा भी नहीं हो जाना चाहिए जहाँ पे यू आर जस्ट ब्लोटिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ, बोस्टिंग की yeah I have done this, I have done that, and etc, etc, etc. So basically it all matters, everything, how do you articulate answer, how you present yourself, everything matters at each and every point. So you should also not lose track of what you are saying, and कोई चीज़ बोलते बोलते you should be very specific to what you are saying and it should be bang on. एंड बेसिकली यू शुड नॉट क्रिएट अ रुक्स कि जहाँ पे आप बोलते बोलते कोई ऑफ ट्रैक चले जाए, कोई और ही टॉपिक पर चले जाए. मेंटेन आई कॉन्टैक्ट, पॉजिटिव बॉडी लैंग्वेज, सपोर्ट आंसर विद रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल. बेसिकली जैसे हमने स्टार अप्रोच में देखा कि व्हाट आर योर ट्रेड्स एंड ऑफ कोर्स वन एग्जांपल ऑफ इट. देन स्टे अपडेटेड ऑन द करंट अफेयर, बिजनेस न्यूज़ एंड एवरीथिंग. डोंट ब्लफ और गिव जेनरिक आंसर. ब्लफ करोगे देन इफ देयर इज सम बज़वर्ड गोइंग ऑन, सो for example AI, so if you show that I am much more active in terms of knowing the news of AI, so they will ask you certain questions. What is LLA? They'll ask you some technical questions because to the people who are you giving interview are way more experienced. They have literally 20, 25, 50, 50 years of experience. So they are much more experienced in terms of what the knowledge they are catering to, and the kind of students which they are looking out for. So sound rehearse and it should not sound also robotic. या ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि they are talking to a chat GPT or Google Gemini AI where okay I have done this I was that this that I ऐसा भी ना चाहिए. So make sure that you don't come across or you don't get yourself stuck in this vicious cycle. Ignore your resume details. Of course there should be each and every point you should prepare on the resume which is mentioned in your resume. For example, even if there's a work ex, then you should be aware okay ये industry में मैंने काम किया है, what is the size of that industry, what is the future of the industry, why I joined that industry, what is the way forward. Basically you should frame your answers well in terms of preparing for each and every word in your CV. आफ्टर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर डोमेन स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चंस, ओके फॉर इंजीनियर्स ऑफ कोर्स आपने जो पढ़ा है बचपन में वो सबका तो बचपन ऐसे ना आपने जो पढ़ा है इंजीनियरिंग में तो आपको उस सब चीज़ का आइडिया होना चाहिए. नॉट सब चीज़ ऑफ कोर्स दोज हु हैव पास इंजीनियरिंग वे बिफोर 3 years and it's been 3 years 4 years or 2 years something. So the interview also understands कि ओके इसको इतना याद नहीं रहेगा, बट यू शुड ऑलवेज मेक श्योर कि आपको मैक्सिमम चीज़ें याद रहे. एंड ऑफ कोर्स गो रिवाइज ऑल योर इंजीनियरिंग सब्जेक्ट्स, नॉट ऑल योर इंजीनियरिंग बट अ फ्यू ऑफ द मेजर वंस जहाँ से बहुत एविडेंट है कि वहाँ से क्वेश्चन आ ही आएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई टॉक अबाउट सिविल इंजीनियरिंग तो वहाँ से कहाँ सवाल आ सकता है, स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मटेरियल सवाल आ सकता है, फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स से सवाल आ सकता है, देन बेसिक बिल्डिंग मटेरियल्स कॉन्क्रीट टेक्नोलॉजीज इन सब पे सवाल आ सकते हैं. तो आई शुड बी वेरी वेल वर्स विद nitty-gritties ऑफ इट. एंड इवन इफ आई आंसर दैट ओके सॉरी सर आई डोंट नो one or two questions, it's doable and it is pretty much agreed upon. Then for commerce grad, of course, commerce grads as MBA, of course, sought after stream hai after commerce, BCom, BMS, then BBA. So they should be very well versed. For freshers के लिए तो of course जो लिखा है academics, internship and projects are much more important. And for the work ex candidate, you should be making sure that आपने work में क्या value add की. आपने कोई ऐसा काम था जहाँ पे आपने you created a rooks, you create literally an impact, a positive impact, which help your organization. So basically, you have to be the star of your story, where eventually you have to present all the answers in star format as well. Then mock interviews and feedback. तो इसमें क्या होता है, mock interview देना बहुत ज़रूरी है guys. Eventually what you'll end up, you'll of course notice that answering same question, giving interview to the same person, answering the same question. For example, tell me about yourself. अगर if you are not prepared, the person would ask you 3 times to tell me about yourself, you will give तीनों time अलग अलग answers. So make sure that you don't get into this cycle and you articulate your points and what you want to say, what you want to present very well prior to the interview, and take each and every mock interview very seriously, to be very honest, because you never know questions can come up from each and any of your practice sessions. So while my symbiosis interview, while I was giving interview for SCMHRD and SIBM Pune, my dearest friend took my interview and measured to 3 questions I encountered literally from the interview which was taken by my friend. So it helps a lot. So of course make a group where you practice GD, make a group where you practice interviews. And if you are in search for any of the sessions like where you want to practice interview, where you want to give interview, see this initiative is completely free. Of course anyone can go through, anyone can go through my materials, anyone can give me mock PI, anyone can give me mock GD. I'm very well open to towards everything, and eventually I'll also learn and also add some value towards your answers and everything. So I would honestly say that keep notes of each and everything which you prepare and each and every word which you come across, because you can never know what the questions can be asked from. While my CAP interview, my IIM Amritsar interview was completely on GK and knowing about myself. And after that, Symbiosis interview was knowing about the college much more in a better way, where I was grilled as well in SIBM Pune interview, in SIIB interview. So do also mention the comment section if you guys want a separate video in terms of all the transcripts whichever interview I give. So I'll also provide that free of cost completely. I'll upload on my channel. So the purpose of the channel is basically to help everyone, each and everyone who are going through this phase. So with that being said, I would like to move further. So sources for mocks are literally trust me guys, sources for mocks you can get it anywhere. कहाँ से भी आप बस YouTube पे डाल दो कि okay this college mock GD, this college mock interviews, या this college interview questions, interview experience, ये कुछ भी डाल दोगे बहुत YouTube एक खुली किताब है, खुली लाइब्रेरी, आपको सब कुछ मिल जाएगा. Even on Quora, even on sites like LinkedIn, you can connect to the alumni base of the college. You can also get trained by them as well. So if they are kind enough, of course, सब तो kind नहीं होते, जो कुछ kind होते हैं, they also help you a lot. उसके बाद ऑनलाइन AI based interview platform, so I don't think it is much more valid, because if you give non AI based video, if you give interview to your friends, so they would be very much be able to judge you better and give you a better feedback towards which you can improve upon आगे जाके. उसके बाद फाइनल चेकलिस्ट बिफोर ड्रेस प्रोफेशनली गाइज, दिस इज very important, as I have given some interviews, people are वेयरिंग टाई जिसका नॉट यहाँ पर है. बीच में तो उनके कॉलर के पे खाली, सो दैट इज ऑल्सो प्रॉब्लम। तो वहाँ पे इवन इवेंचुअली देयर शुड बी हाइजीन फैक्टर्स, जहाँ पे आप जीडी दे रहे हो या जीई दे रहे हो तो आप दूसरों को भी बोलने का मौका दे रहे हो। यू आर नॉट जस्ट गोइंग ऑन, मोनोलॉग ना हो जाए, इट शुड बी अ हेल्दी डिस्कशन where eventually one of my panelist member was also scolded by the interviewer, जहाँ पे he was not giving chance only to anyone to say, then interviewer literally rudely उनको बोला कि at least give others chance as well to speak, you are not adding any value to the room। तो वो लड़के को ऐसा बोला था, तो जहाँ पे वो बेचारा थोड़ा अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट हो गया, या वहाँ पे जहाँ वो थोड़ा शैटर हो जाए। So also these are the basic hygiene factors, and also there are a few factors to keep in mind that make sure that, or at least try to open the GD or GE, it will fetch you some of the points, or at least mention कि okay जिन्होंने अभी तक कुछ डिवोट नहीं किया, जिन्होंने अब तक कुछ वैल्यूएबल इनसाइट्स या अपने वैल्यूएबल पॉइंट्स कंट्रीब्यूट नहीं किए टुवर्ड्स दिस ग्रुप डिस्कशन शुड कंट्रीब्यूट एज वेल। सो दिस विल शो लीडरशिप, दिस विल शो एम्पैथी, दिस विल ऑल्सो शो टीम वर्क, यू आर अ टीम प्लेयर एंड यू लेट एवरीवन प्रोवाइड वैल्यूएबल फीडबैक पॉइंट्स। तो ये सारी चीज़ें भी हेल्प करती है, ये सारी चीज़ें अच्छी चीज़ें होती हैं और करनी भी चाहिए। आफ्टर दिस ऑफ कोर्स डू वेल रिसर्च, do your thorough research in terms of which of the interview you are giving for which college, because I was literally guilty in SIIB interview, जहाँ पे मुझे बताया था, जहाँ पे मैंने मेरे एंड पे थोड़ा कम वर्क किया था SIIB, और मुझे पूछा कौन से रोल्स ऑफर करते हैं, तो मैंने बहुत बेसिक से रोल्स बोले थे, जहाँ पे देवर ऑफरिंग मच मोर, तो एक वो थोड़ा नेगेटिव पॉइंट क्रिएट करता है। बट अब मेरा तो संभल गया, बट सबका संभल नहीं सकता है। सो ऑलवेज मेक श्योर कि आप वो कॉलेज के बारे में जान लीजिए, कौन वो कॉलेज के नोटेबल एलुमिनाइज है, कौन वो कॉलेज से निकले हैं, कौन क्या है कॉलेज का विजन मिशन, कॉलेज का मोटो क्या है, कॉलेज किस चीज़ को वैल्यू करता है। तो बेसिकली नो योर कॉलेज एट द वेरी फर्स्ट हैंड बिफोर गोइंग थ्रू द इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस, बिकॉज इट हेल्प्स अलॉट, जो जेन्यूनली इट हेल्प्स अलॉट, बिकॉज जो इंटरव्यू लेते हैं वो मोस्टली एलुमिनाइज होते हैं या टीचर्स होते हैं, तो उनको पता है कॉलेज का क्या विजन मिशन होता है, एंड इट वुड बी फेचिंग यू गुड नंबर ऑफ पॉइंट्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर PI, इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर GD और GE। सो या दैट्स इट फ्रॉम माई साइड इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रोवाइडिंग दिस मच मोर अवर्टेड वीडियो। तो और मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि जस्ट फोकस ऑन योर सेल्फ एंड रीच, ट्राई राइटिंग ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट विच यू कम अक्रॉस। पहले तो आप अपना CV लेके बैठिए, उस CV में आपने जो जो पॉइंट्स मेंशन किए हैं, जितने भी पॉइंट्स मेंशन किए हैं उसके थ्रू जाइए, और एक अच्छा होलिस्टिक आंसर बनाइए हर एक चीज़ को। ज़्यादा आइडियलिस्टिक भी आंसर ना हो और ज़्यादा अंडरमाइनिंग भी ना हो आंसर। एक प्रॉपर ब्लेंड क्रिएट कीजिए अपने एस्पिरेशंस और जो अभी तक आपने किया है, also with the valid proofs, because IIMs, IITs or any of the colleges, any of the premium B school tier 1 tier 2 will ask for your certificates कि आपने क्या किया है आप बताइए, तो you should keep that certificates handy as well। So yeah, that's all from my side, and I hope I have added some value towards your learning out, some value towards your preparation journey, and eventually do let me know in the comment section or anywhere. You can reach me on LinkedIn. uh, yeah, LinkedIn is the most sought after platform which I use, so you can reach me on LinkedIn, or even this comment section is completely yours if anyone wants any of the interview transcripts or in terms of guidance, और या तो किसको कुछ अपना खुद का PI देना है this journey, and this thing is entirely free of cost, and I would never ever monetize it in terms of providing values, so feel free. And yeah, that's all. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye guys, take care.